This video I'm going to solve the few questions using Cramer's rule, and this problem is from Matrices and Determinants, and this is related to the Diploma Mathematics 1. Here using Cramer's rule we have to solve all these questions. So here is the solution. First of all I have to frame delta. So the delta is nothing but the quotient of x 1, the quotient of y is 2, and the quotient of z here is 3. And the next one here, the quotient of x is equal to 2, the quotient of y is equal to 4, and the quotient of z is equal to 1. The quotient of x is equal to 3, the quotient of y is equal to 2, and the quotient of z is equal to 9. So here, first I have to frame the delta. For finding the delta, this is 1 times of, I have to close the corresponding row and column of 1. So if I close, this will be 36 minus 2. So this is 36 minus 2, and here minus 2 times of, if I close this row and column, this is 18 minus 3. So this is 18 minus 3 and plus 3 times of, if I close this row and column, this is 4 minus 12. And see, our delta value is nothing but this is 34 minus 2 times of 15 plus 3 times of minus 8. So here our delta value is equal to 34 minus 30, and this is minus 24, and delta value is equal to, this is 4, this is plus 4, and see here this is plus 4 minus 24. Therefore our delta value is nothing but minus 20. So after getting our delta value, so I have to frame delta 1. For finding the delta 1, see here, for finding the delta 1, I have to replace column 1. So here, this is column 1, and this is column 2, and this is column 3. So I have to replace this column 1 with all the constants on the right side of the equation. So here, the right side of the equation constants are 6, 7, 14. So this is a 6, 7, 14. And column 2 is nothing but 2, 4, 2. So this is 2, 4, 2. And column 3 is nothing but this is 3, 1, 9. See here, now I have to find the determinant. For finding the determinant delta 1, see here, this is a 6 times of, I have to close this corresponding row as well as this column. This is 36 minus 2. So this is 36 minus 2, and here it is minus 2 times of, this is 63 minus 14. 7 9s is 63 minus 14. 63 minus 14, and here this is 3 times of, if I close the row and column, this is 14 minus this is 56. So here delta 1 is equal to, this is 6 times of 34 minus 2 times of, so this will be 9, and here it is 4 minus 1, 5. This is 49. So here if it is 49, so it's not correct. And see, and the next one is 13 minus 14 minus 56 is nothing but minus 42. And see here, delta 1 is equal to, this is a 6 into, this is a 6 into 34, which is equal to, this is 204 minus, this is 49 into 2, so which is minus 98, and this value is 42 into 3, this is 126. So here delta 1 value is equal to, see here our delta 1 value is equal to 204 minus, so this is, see here, this is the 98 plus 126. The value here is 224, and delta 1 value will be, this is minus 20. So this value is nothing but minus 20. And after getting the delta 1 value, so now I have to frame delta 2. So for delta 2, I have to replace the values of column 2 with all the constants on the right side of the given equation. So here, if you see, delta 2 value will be, delta 2 value will be, column 1 will be as it is, that is 1, 2, 3, and column 2 I have to replace with all the constants on the right side, that is 6, 7, 14. and here it is 319. So now I have to find out the determinant of delta 2. So delta 2 is equal to, this is 1 times of, this is 1 times of, if I close this row and column, this is a 63 minus 14. So this is a 63 minus 14 and this value is minus 6 times of. If I close this row and column, this is 18 minus 3. So this value is 18 minus 3 and this is plus 3 times of. If I close this row and column, this is 28 minus 21. So here our delta 2 value is equal to, this is a 63 minus 14, which is equal to, this is 49 minus 6 times of 15 plus 3 times of this value is a 7. So here our delta 2 value is, this is 49 minus, this is 15 into 6, this value is 90 plus this value is 21. Therefore our delta 2 value is equal to, this is 49 plus 21, which is equal to 70 minus 90. Therefore our delta 2 value is minus 20. And after getting the delta 2 value, so now I have to frame delta 3. So our delta 3 value is equal to, so column 1 will be as it is, as 1 2 3. So this is 1 2 3 and column 2 value is, this is 2 4 2 and column 3 value, this is a 6 7 14. So after replacing column 3, now I have to find out the determinant. So the delta 3 value is 1 times of. So now I have to close this corresponding row as well as this column, and here, see here, so this will be 56. So this is a 56 minus 14 and here this is minus 2 times of. If I close this row and column, this is 28 minus 21. So this is 28 minus 21 and this is plus 6 times of. 6 times of this is 4 minus 12. And see here, delta 3 value is equal to, see here, this is 56 minus 14, the value is 42, minus 2 times of this value is 7, plus 6 times of this value is 8. Therefore delta 3 value is equal to 42 minus 14 minus 48. So our delta 3 value is equal to 42 minus, this is 14 plus 48, the value is nothing but 62. Therefore our delta 3 value is nothing but minus 20. Therefore here, if you observe properly, we have delta value is equal to minus 20. I'll show you. Just now I have done delta value is minus 20 and here delta 1 value is also minus 20, delta 2 value is minus 20 and delta 3 value is minus 20. Therefore we got all the values as minus 20. So delta 2 value is minus 20 and delta 3 value is minus 20. So if I want the value of x, so this is nothing but delta 1 by delta, and here if you see for y value also, so this is delta 2 by delta and z value is equal to, this is delta 3 by delta. So which is equal to, this is minus 20 by minus 20. So this is minus 20 by minus 20 and this value is minus 20 by minus 20. So if I cancel, so this for one time, see our x value is equal to 1, y value is equal to 1 and z value is equal to 1. So this is how we have to get the solutions using the Cramer's rule. And see here, first of all I have to frame delta and later I have to replace column 1 with all the constants on the right side of the equation. So this is delta 1 and this is delta 2. So I have to replace all the numbers from column 2 with all the constants on the right side of the given equation, and here delta 3 I have to replace column 3. And after getting all these values, delta, delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3, and here is the formula for finding x, y, z values, and we got the values as 1 1 1, and this is how we have to solve, and hope you all guys understand. And this is my last question for this topic, and in my next chapter I'll be solving many more. Please have a look at those. Please share it with your friends because they also need it. Thank you so much.